Hey guys, Justin here, SSC Garage. What we're planning on doing today, we're going to get the roll cage sanded down and the dashboard here so we can go ahead and try to get the inside of this car primered hopefully this week sometime. So what we actually got to do is we got to clean this up as best as we can. Nobody's really going to be messing with this, so we're just going to paint it yellow right along with the inside of the car. And we're going to clean up the roll cage, try to get everything completely ready here to get our bar welded in. So we only have to come back and clean it up and paint a little bit and try to get most of this done. I've already cleaned some of it up, as you can see what it's going to look like when we're done here. We've already cleaned this bar a little bit. So we're going to get right to it and show you this thing getting cleaned up and getting prepped, and hopefully tomorrow or something we'll be able to get the inside of the car done, and hopefully by the end of the week prime the inside of the car. So stay tuned. Alright guys, as you've seen, we got the whole cage sanded out. Let you look at it now. Nice and shiny now. We just got a little bit of hand sanding to do down by the edges and on the very, very top here. Other than that, it's pretty much done, ready for primer. So we got a little bit more down here to do where I can't get the gun in. So we'll hand sand all that and get it done. Then we actually have to get this sanded and prepped and get the rest of the tar off the floorboards. Once we get that done and we scuff the whole interior of this car, we're actually going to primer the whole inside of this. And but the way this primer works, you got 5 days to paint the car, or you will have to resand everything that you primered. So what we're trying to do is get this done, get the floorboards done, scuff everything inside the car, and scuff the engine bay. Because once we do this, then we can primer the engine bay, the whole interior of the car, the cage, and I will actually be able to paint the cage white and then do the Phoenix yellow on the interior of the car and the engine bay and have that all done. That way we don't have to resand the primer, because that would really suck. We've already spent 2 days now getting the cage sanded out, so hopefully in the next couple days we'll have the rest of the car sanded, ready to go, so we can start putting some primer and paint on the inside of this car, so we can start to see what it's going to look like. And I hope you guys like what we're doing. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We'll bring you more content. Thanks.